Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So you know how I do this. I'm gonna just hop right into this tutorial. So today I'm going to be lazily washing my box braids. They've been in for a month and 3 weeks, and it's just time for me to wash them. They have a lot of buildup at the roots, and my face is starting to break out because my box braids are dirty. So today I'm going to be using the 18-in-1 Hemp Rose Pure Castor Soap, and I'm just literally gonna pour that right to my scalp. I'm focusing this soap right on my scalp because this soap does not dry out my hair. I absolutely love this soap. I use it on my body, I use it on my face, I use it in my hair. I clean with this soap. This is a very versatile soap if you don't know, and it's more natural and more organic than a lot of soaps out there. So if I'm not washing my hair with this soap, I'm washing my hair with black soap, black shampoo, soap, you know. So I'm just going to gently rub the soap through my hair, just really focusing on my scalp because my scalp was not itching, but I've just been putting a lot of product in my hair, and I just really want to make sure that I'm getting my scalp as clean as possible. So I'm going to massage the shampoo through my scalp. And if I feel any dry spots, I will just grab the bottle of shampoo and just hit those spots up. But I'm just going to give myself a nice massage with this soap, and it lathers really great. As you guys can see, I haven't even put any water or anything on my hair yet, and the soap is just lathering up. So I'm going to just grab that bottle, like I said again, apply some more to my scalp where I feel like it's dry, and I have not added water. This is a lazy way that I washed my box braids. So now I'm just going to apply some of that soap along the edges, my hairline, just to make sure that I'm not forgetting my edges, because that's where a lot of the buildup is, because I use castor oil and a lot of thicker oils around my edges just to try to protect my edges from breaking off or falling out or being pulled. I was just really more focused on my edges and taking care of those. So that's where I have a lot of buildup at. So after I get all the soap massaged through my hair, this took me about maybe 8 minutes. I just massaged this through my hair, the soap. After that, I did not rinse out my hair yet. I went in with my conditioner. Yeah, the Tea Tree Giovanni conditioner. That's what I used for my hair, and I literally just smacked that right on the top of the shampoo. So after I got all the conditioner and the shampoo mixed in well together, I went over to the sink, and that's when I'm going to rinse out my hair. But once again, I am mixing together the soap and the conditioner. This I'm really not caring about if it gets on the top of my braids. I used very warm water to rinse out my hair, but I did not want my hair to be dry, so that's why I'm putting the conditioner on the top. But like I said before, this soap doesn't leave my hair dry, but I'm just taking extra precautions because my hair is in these braids and I really can't get to my actual hair, so I'm just trying to make sure that my hair is not going to be dry, period, point blank. So I also rubbed some of that conditioner down the length of my hair, but now I am at my sink and I'm putting my hair over the sink to let it fall and not let it be dangling in the sink just yet, because I don't want the dirt from my scalp to run down the braids to make them like get nasty gummy stuff on them. I just wanted the water to run straight from my scalp down into the sink and not on my hair. I hope that makes sense. But I'm just going to really focus on my scalp, massaging it, trying to make sure that I get all of that shampoo and conditioner out of my hair before I allow my hair to fall into the sink and wash my remaining hair because it's so long. But I'm really just holding my hair up like this so that I can prevent the dirt from my scalp from falling into the rest of my hair. And this whole process took me about 35 minutes, only because I was being very thorough with making sure that my scalp was clean and just letting the water run through my hair, because my hair has not seen water for a month and 3 weeks. And I know my faucet handle is missing. That is living an RV life. Everything kind of breaks and come up missing, and you just can't do anything about that. So here I'm just trying to squeeze my hair to make sure that I got the shampoo and the conditioner out of my braids, because I put conditioner on the length of my braids. So I'm just trying to make sure that my hair is getting rid of like the dirt and stuff. So that's why I'm squeezing my hair like this, because I can't rub it together. I don't want to cause frizz. And actually, me doing my hair this way, I had no frizz, surprisingly. The only thing that I noticed was my roots were extremely thick after my hair dried. And I feel like that happened because I blow dried my hair before I got my box braids in. So my hair was kind of in a stretched out state, and putting water on it like this just kind of made it revert back. But my hair had no frizz after I got done washing my hair. So now I'm just taking each section, just straining out my hair, trying to get as much water out of it as I can. And I'm taking this microfiber towel, and I will sit with my hair with the microfiber towel on it for about 30 minutes, and then I took it off. I blow dried my hair, but I only blow dried it for like 10 minutes just to stop the ends from dripping. And I was shocked of how fast these box braids dried with blow drying my hair. I did not show you guys because I just literally ran the blow dryer over my hair and it was really fast. But my hair got pretty clean, and I was quite satisfied how my hair didn't get frizzy. Because my hair is black and the hair color is 30, I thought that my hair was going to be seen I thought my hair was going to frizz, basically, but it really didn't. So this is after about 30 minutes after I had it on this towel on my hair. And this is right before I went to the blow dryer. I think you can kind of still see some of the conditioner in my hair, but I'm just going to spray some aloe juice in my hair. I know it says mane and tail, but this is aloe vera juice that I'm spraying in my hair for just a nice conditioning. And then after I spray this in my hair, I went and blow dried the ends of my hair. So this is an end result. Like I said, there's still a little bit of conditioner in there, but for the most part, my scalp felt so clean, and I was just relieved that I got most of all the little different smells that I've been putting in my hair out, but my scalp was extremely clean. I kind of like the fact that I left a little bit of conditioner on the length of my hair, because it made my hair feel a lot softer. But this is the end result, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye.